we're stronger and better than we were when we left here.
Very huge challenge in our school community. However, we are grateful for the blessing that we will receive with a beautiful new building.
I think we've learned what makes a school isn't a building.
We're excited. We can't wait to get back. There's been some I want to say sacrifices and some events that weren't expected.
So aside from the Harvey challenge, obviously we've all been facing the COVID challenge as well.
My mind was, what does this do to our move? We were looking at the finish line, which for us was getting in this building.
We appreciate HISD and the community for supporting us and sticking with us and, being patient as we move into a new building during a pandemic.
There was some delay because we had initially a plan to move into those schools in June, and so the pandemic, of course, pushed that delay back.
This wasn't planned, this wasn't part of any of our capital programs, and so trying to get the students and teachers back into the buildings, into permanent buildings as quickly as possible, that was probably our biggest thing.
They deserve it. There was a huge loss to get to where we are today, and I can't think of a more deserving community than every kid that's a Coulter Cougar.
It's time to step it up and take it to the next level as it relates to educating all of our children.
Finally, we're here. I can't wait. The students can't wait. The teachers can't wait. Yeah, we're excited.